going to a wedding. I have lens, you know? I have a lens. I take wash out and belly hurt me right now. And this, ooh. She just let me know, but they show no fish. Didn't say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know it's that girl Nia, and I'm back with another lit entry number 6. Hello, today is July the 4th. It's the 4th of July. Hello guys, happy 4th of July guys. What's called if I'm right now? I'm not hungry, but I don't know why. But anyways, so right now I'm gonna say one that girl you comment you like last week April 30. Yeah guys, it sweat out already. So I just camera, I do a little baddie hairstyle, you know, a little baddie hairstyle. I'm starting the vlog right now. So yeah guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and share as I take y'all on this week with me. Although today is Saturday, but I'm gonna take y'all on in the week also. So I just did drop the vlog. If you don't watch the vlog yet, so guys. If you don't watch the vlog yet, make sure to go watch it right now, okay? The link will be down below in the description, or you can go on my channel and watch the last entry. Guys, I'm belly at earth. I'm gonna take wash out and belly at earth right now. And this, ooh, this man in me, I say, Jesus, I can't shoot my shit right now. This man in, hold on guys, wait there. Alright guys, I feel a little better now. Anyways, yeah, as me I say, yeah, entry number 5 is out. Make sure to check it out, literally. So yeah, now I do my ear right now. So I'm taking a panel maintenance. Nothing too crazy, but I like a maintenance. So I do my ear right now. I feel like more taking on the camera process. Cause I just camera my camera right now. I camera the side, right? Side to the side. Yeah. Book me guys, book me for your hairstyle. Cheap and reliable. Cheap and affordable guys. Very cheap and affordable. Guys, and realize oh my face come on, like it's coming back to the back. But the skin, oh look. If you don't look good enough, so life go come me now pull you up back. So yeah guys, so let me just say, yeah. Oh guys, I need a moderator in my channel group, so hit me up please, yeah. Hit me up. I need a moderator who can take on the job of, you know, keeping my gems entertained daily. Because guys, I'm gonna start work. I probably leave. I gonna have time for vlog, but I'm gonna try my best for job entries. So back to the back for the rest of 2026. And guys, I'm gonna watch the video them to the end. I need the watch hours, please, y'all. This guys. Oh, not good. Yeah, I need the watch hours, so please watch the video to the end, okay? So yeah, it's pretty much it guys. Me I go well, me I call me ear. When can't say me I call me ear, but I don't think, yeah. If you need tutorial upon anything, you know, let me know, because a girl will come through. Once I do it here or whatever. If you know I'm gonna try out some new things and I make me know, just to give reviews to, you know, if you're not afraid to try it. And guys, I want to go churches, I'm gonna try churches, maybe try it. And I think I'd like to try it to see what's the hype about. I'm gonna try one next restaurant to come out. You guys, of course, when I try it, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Period. Yes. So yes, guys, the ear is done. It's giving baddie. Hold on, 360 guys, wait. But just don't clean up the ear and something, so the ear kind of all over the place right now, but yeah, I have lens, you know. I have a lens. Anyways, so guys, any other back look as say go matter to just matter, but at time I make it look said really and truly. But I see what I'm done and just get it over with. Guys, now go put on some press-ons, take some snaps.
Guys, I put them, I can't use crazy glue or no strong glue because I have to take them off for work. So, come with me to put on my nail. So guys, I know which color I'm finding. Right now, them nails are pissing up because what do you mean by some of the size them we can't find them? This is ridiculous. I told me now I'm blue on the long nails them, you know. Because them so hard for angle, you know. Literally. I know all the hot girls see it. I know all the hot girls them do it really and truly. Only do it hot girls. How y'all do it? With them long nails they are drink up on the bottom. So come guys, I'm done put time come back. So guys, ooh, this I give going to the wedding vibe. I'm going to a wedding. Like this cute and girly, yeah. Hold on. So my go jam lip combo. But I say, where is my lip liner? Gosh, why is it so dark? It's too dark, man. Yes, I'm gonna breaking hearts is hard to do. Everybody knows. Girls, guys, I don't know why. If I said girls, if I said girls, and I correct myself, I said guys. Like, I'm so convinced that those girls don't watch me. Yeah, me that's I don't know why I put on this right now. I can't bed, but I go have it off either way. Them said no false eyelashes, so yeah. I'm a good old my room gets so cute. It all look nice with my nails, guys. Yeah. Go make the snappy snap. Guys, you like your hairstyle? Come on. What is that? Guys, somebody may I try make video and I record. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm angles or the hairstyle or I don't know, but I make the video, but let me post it like. Man, this every time I see me I eat. I mean, I have to eat. I have to eat, guys. I have to eat. Oh, I'm just obsessed. I should have taken them out. I'm so cute. I forgot Gambit right now. I'm tired. I'm tired. It's 10:18. I'm going to go sleep. Or probably watch something or something. I think I have a laptop right now. We don't use it really and truly. So yeah, guys, catch you out tomorrow. If not tomorrow, catch you out tomorrow. Love y'all. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the next clip. So today is Sunday, and it's Sunday morning about 8:30. It's 8:30 right now. Guys, my nails drop off. When time I'm taking off I try to say. But right now what I'm gonna eat is some fruits. Guys, I'm playing with nice stuff. Looks so fabulous, guys. See if I can show y'all better. Like, yeah. I don't want some though. So let me tell you. So this is pine. You must know that this is tangerine. This is rose apple. This is melon. And this is some banana. So I'm gonna eat this. Getting a girl's workout. And what else? Yeah. I'll make something eat. It's like 1 hour later. Most of the time, I can't really some ever eat. But anyways. Brush my teeth, clean up my room. Yeah, I'm gonna change my outfit for the workout. So yes, this is the outfit. This is the outfit. Yeah, this is what I'll be working out in. To feel more comfortable for video instead of the workout on that stress day. But yeah, we're gonna start right now. Cut the show. Cut the show. Me tired. Me not no more. Mighty God. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna take a little breather and get back to y'all. A mauler. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit now. A girl's about to start a business. But I want phone intake though, guys. I want to know what would you guys buy from me, you know? And I have to support the girl, no, guys. And I have to support the girl because I need supporters, okay? Alright. And promise, you know, the things that I sell, it's not gonna be expensive. I promise y'all. And when I get good quality things over here, alright? So the things that I sell, it won't be expensive. And guys, wanna go over the page and follow Jems Glow JA right now. You see my name tafa uno. Jems Glow JA. Go follow it over there right now. Guys, I see don't over there, I will power uno immediately. Alright, so guys, I think I got like do a lip gloss. I was thinking about buying some top brands lip gloss and sell them, but then I say I'm gonna buy some nice lip gloss and I go check them first before I start sell them, because you know me not sell nobody do foolishness. If nobody come drum down on the internet, you understand me? So and yeah, I gotta have me logo pan it. I gotta have Jems Jems collection. I gotta have Jems. No, yeah, Jems Glow JA pan it. When I mega add the JA, what I think it's best to add JA for no say yeah at Jamaica, yeah. Now that Jems Glow JA, and each and every one of my products like lip gloss, I'll probably start till face mirror, lip liner, and all of them I gotta have my name on it. Jems Glow JA. So to make sure if you are a true gem, you must support. Guys, I promise you know, nothing one can manage. Now and each order you all will get, and me I go start ship as well. So each order I'll have me I go have a little goodie in it, like so I feel like it worth the money. So yeah, something cute. It's gonna be a surprise every time. And I go showing that on the vlog. And I go showing when I get it, y'all be surprised, okay? Good morning. I'm gonna close my feedback. I'm gonna come from town. Yeah. LCD. So guys, may I go for art today? Me never tell you that, but may I go for art today to see if we can secure a spot up there to be a licensed cosmetologist. I don't know how it go work or go or whatever. But in God I put my trust and believe to me I get through in Jesus Christ's name. Yeah, so may I go up there. May I go log in. Even go log in, may I go sign up and give them necessary things them. And I'm supposed to contact me because my results not come till August. I'm supposed to do an exam. So I'm gonna do the exam and then after yeah. So I'm gonna do the exam. But then I told them I do the exam. I gotta do the exam and then we can secure my spot. If results could have come up before that are fabulous, but at the end of the day I'm still want to do the exam because I'm supposed to get the maths. Anyways, so that's about that. Yeah guys, so I'm tired right now. As you can see, I'm up from 3 o'clock. I'm tired. So may I go link on the back is either I want to see some clips of me up at the art place. Cause I'm tired now guys. I don't know if you can go vlog, but I'm tired. So probably either I'm reach home or I'm going to at the art place and see you in the back. So hey guys, we just reached home. Today Tuesday. The day when Argentina play. But you want them go home, Mr. Chat? I leave it up at him, but yeah, me I eat some food and come back. When I come back, I talk to him real quick. So guys, I'm trying now. I go on feeding. So guys, I haven't done much work. I can't go full out leave. What are they? So guys, I never get fully talk to one about the situation and the bag of things them. So first of all, remember when me at about oh so guys, I got a workplace today and practically I can't start work yet fully, but I can work on the weekends them. Yeah, because I'm gonna get the food and glass permit as yet. I can still work. But at the end of the day, it don't really treat who matter because your mother son will say I'm getting paid and that's all that matters. But anyways guys, yeah. Remember what else me I talking about? Um guys, me can't remember what me I talking about. When I watch over the last clip, I forget out. So my catching back on reach on me yard or so. Yeah, I think that's the thing. But guys, look at my fit. That's the fit. That's the fitty fit. And yeah. So hey guys, chit chat time. So what does I say? What me actually tell you know what me want to talk about? So yeah guys, so first off, the hard thing, I go hard, I go back, I go down at, I go back too hard. So I go Garmex, um I go Garmex first because when I call people them on the operating line, they might tell me one bag of foolishness, guys. Say the beauty college never want do ready. Which it doesn't because it's a fact where them split up everything, so you have to do it like different time. Normally them have it combined together, so you can just go to one thing and then yeah, but okay, so I'm gonna call them and they do want to go to interior decorating. And then but when I call them program not open January till January, so I might I'm not sure, but I might do it January. So yeah, I might do it January. But for now, but they go back up at the art place and them say I could do braiding and weaving. So I just do braiding and weaving for now. I'm not sure how long it do, but I just want to say I can start September if I get through. And I'm going to get through in the name of Jesus. I'm speaking it into being, okay? So guys, about the work now also. Yeah, I'm gonna get a job. But like may have to wait until August to be fully like I can fully work like fully. But I'm still working piece. But yeah, big up God and him. wonders that he works, and whatever I'm telling you guys, whatever God plan, I just take me I work with nourish nothing. I just God plan and I eat me I work with right way. And yeah, that's that guys. Oh no, me I do one lady ear. I gotta this our ear. I gotta show you when time I do it. Guys, y'all can link me for to do y'all hairstyles. Yeah guys, wanna tell me what kind of business, like what kind of things you wanna buy from me, like what wanna think for sale, like things I wanna buy, and comment. I want to know, like a serious time no more. Really wanna know things I wanna buy. Just comment and let me know. And follow up Jems Glow JA, the page on Instagram. Follow it right now guys. I'm gonna put a overlay right here. Follow that page. I want to get to at least 10 subscribers. Remember 10 subscribers, 10 followers. Guys, just follow the page no matter. Just follow. And let me know what y'all would want to buy from me, what y'all would want me to sell, and where your girl is them what I want to buy, whatever on a girly group talk about, and no know so no want to keep on a budget, because guys, I'm not scam nobody around here. But as I said, I just want loyal customers. I want to run a business, okay? So yeah guys, that's it. That's all about chit chat. Guys, that video probably a shot. That vlog are probably boring and sharp, and I'm sure it'll go, but yeah. And yeah guys, the Argentina match. Them thief, man, I know older if this a thief. Like if you know watch the something like me yes, me never gonna say nothing. But just know say that match there was shit, bro. Like that match there was doo doo, literally. But yeah guys, make sure y'all subscribe, like, share and comment. Yeah. Comment. More I know. More I know. Wanna tell me one thing about the video them. Yeah, clack it. But probably end up the video right here so because I'm not really have nothing else to do. I probably end it right here to be honest. So I'm not sure guys. We make gonna know. We see. We see what happens next. So guys, I'm gonna just close out the vlog right here. Today at Friday, next morning guys. Yeah, next morning. So I'm gonna close out the vlog. So let's get into the comment shout out. So first comment shout out goes to Kaylee Nashpal 3635, and she says the last video was so amazing girl, you are so talented. Thank you girl. And like I'm so happy that so much of y'all enjoyed that last video. Like it really touched my heart. Whenever I go back, yeah, to be honest, so it really touched my heart, and thank you girl. And indeed I'm so talented. Thank you. So next comment shout out goes to Ashoy-K9PLY, and she says another masterpiece. Clock the tea girl. Indeed another masterpiece, because I mean Ania post. Ania I do the entry them. Made a body thing. Guys, don't forget follow my business page and tell me what y'all want me to sell. Okay? So without any further ado, let's get into the encouraging Bible verse. Our quote, it says, wholesome tongue is a tree of life, but perverseness is a breach in the spirit. And this is telling us that there's power in the tongue, and words can hurt, conceal, or inspire, or heal. So what more I want to do that guys, like going to be mindful of how not talk to people, how not spread the word of God, because sometimes you kind of encourage and still I encourage like at the wrong time, like you don't understand me I say, but you have to be mindful of how you speak, what you speak over your life, because as them always say, point at the tongue, and we'll be mindful of what we talk. Alright, so that's the end of the vlog, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and let me know what y'all want to see next. What as I say, wanna make me know guys, like I wanna make a vlog finder and also myself. So yeah, make me know what I wanna see and the things there. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Turn on those post notification bells, share up and tell a friend, them to tell a friend, and make them come over near YouTube. It's that girl Nia, and get some encouraging words, watch the vlogs them. Yeah, the entertainment, and yeah, I love all of y'all. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at ITZTHATGIRLNIA. Also join my channel the Jems channel, and also follow my business page, Jems Glow JA. Later.